Ganpati Bappa Moria. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Suvinka. First of all, I want to wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi guys. Hope you get to spend it with your near and dear ones. And it's full of joy and prosperity. And Ganpati Bappa gives you strength and wisdom to grow and excel. And today we're going to try some light painting techniques at home using the theme of Ganesh itself. It's going to be super fun, but let's revise the basics first. Now if you've watched my previous light painting tutorials, you can skip this part and directly go to this time. But if you want to revise the basics, let's come along. Things you will need: a camera that allows you to set your shutter speed manually, a tripod or any kind of support for your camera. You may use the support of any table or stool in case you don't have a tripod. Mobile phone, I'll show you how you can use them. A remote, I have the Nikon ML-L3 wireless camera remote control. Since I'm shooting alone, having a remote really helps. If you don't have a remote, you can use the self-timer mode of the camera or ask your friend or family member to assist you. Next, darkness. So I'm gonna turn off the lights, shut the doors, windows of my room, cover any openings in them. The room should be pitch dark. Now let's get started. I have set my camera on my tripod. I see the frame and stand accordingly. Turn on my torch and focus on the light with my remote. After focusing, let's come to our camera settings. I'm going to use manual focus. Switch to the manual mode. Aperture can be around f6.3 or f8, depends on your scene. ISO the least 100. Shutter speed will be the bulb mode. If you don't want to use the bulb mode, you can set your shutter speed to 20 or 30 seconds. But I prefer using the bulb mode because in the bulb mode, once I press the shutter release button or my remote, the camera shutter will open and it will remain open till I press the shutter release button or my remote once again. So I can keep my shutter open for minutes, hours. This gives me more time to draw my light figures at leisure. Or else if I set it to 30 seconds, I'll have to finish drawing by 30 seconds, which can be very hurriesome. So I like to use the bulb mode. If you don't have the bulb mode or you don't want to use it, you can set it to self-timer mode and keep your shutter speed around 20 or 30 seconds. But in the bulb mode, it is great if you have a remote. Because if I press my shutter release button, I'm bound to shake my camera while I do that. So having a remote really helps, as I'll not have any kind of camera shake in my images and they'll come out very smooth and sharp. But if you don't have a remote and you don't want to use it, self-timer 20 or 30 seconds. Take my position as per my framing.
First I'm going to make a line drawing of Ganpati Bappa. For that I'll use these light painting brushes. I'll leave their link down below guys so that you can download them. Take my mobile brightness to 100%. For Ganpati, I'll take any color light painting brush and make a semicircle from my neck to chest and make a curved shape for the trunk all the way down my torso. Same way on the other side, a semicircle from neck to chest and make a curved line that will roughly meet the line I drew before. Make a straight line near my eyes, forehead and third on the top of my head. Then change my brush color to maybe red. Draw a small line near my neck. Once I press the remote, start with my drawing on one side, then the other side, make 3 lines on top, and finally the red tilak. Press the remote again when I'm done. Voila! Ganpati Bappa loves modak, so let's make a modak. I will take any light painting brush and make a modak shape on one side. Keep drawing till I reach the middle. Then go on to the other side and keep drawing my modak shape. Few more strokes to fill up the space. That's it. Lights out. Drawing the modak shape on one side, reaching the middle, and then continuing on the other side. Tasty modak that are a feast for the eyes. Next, I will use a small idol of Ganpati Bappa. I may place a cardboard behind the idol in case my background is cluttered. I have made some colorful light painting brushes. I will put the link to these also down below. I will just wave the phone in a random way behind the idol and make a colorful background. Then use the same brush and just place it above the idol in order to expose it. So simple. Lights out. Just drawing a wavy background and then adding some light to the idol. Done. Again, I will place an idol of Ganpati and take a light painting brush. Place the phone behind the idol and expose the brush for a while. Turn off the phone. Move the phone slightly and expose it again. Keep doing this till I have come to the end of one side. Similarly, I will do that on the other side. Keep moving my phone and expose the brush for a while. Finally, use the brush to light up the Ganpati. Lights out. Exposing the brush for a while and twisting my phone till I fill up the whole side. Then the other side. Finally lighting up the Ganpati, and we are done. Lastly, I have cut out the shape of Ganpati Bappa on a paper plate. You can do it on any cardboard or thick paper, guys. For the brush, I will go to Instagram, make a new story and click a blank photo. Fill the page with any color of your choice. Just save this file. I will place the paper plate in front of the camera. Position my phone behind the plate and just draw with the brush so that it covers the cutout part. That's it, so simple. Lights out, just draw behind the cutout and my Ganpati shape is here.
So guys, it was so much fun trying these simple light painting experiments at home. And once again, I want to wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi, guys. I hope you get to spend it with a lot of joy and happiness. And Ganpati Bappa brings a lot of riches and good fortune to you guys. Do wish me too in the comments, and if you like these experiments that I've done, please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and try out these experiments with them. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. And in case you try any of these experiments, guys, do share them on Instagram, tag me and I'll have a look at them. I'll be very happy to have a look at your images, guys. And here is my previous light painting experiment video. Please go check it out, guys. I did it for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Ganpati Bappa Moria.